Okay, so you do not know how to fix server DNS address could not be found in Windows 10. So in order to fix this error, just click on a Start menu. The next step is you need to find the Control Panel. Just type Control Panel and you'll find it here. Click on it and in a new window, it should be open. You should. Click on Network and Internet. Make sure it's view by category. Then left click on Network and Sharing Center. And access type connection, it should be clickable. So click on Internet. Here in a new window, click on Properties. Okay, so you should find Internet Protocol version 4. Select it and click on Properties. So here in a new window, click on Use the following DNS server address. So click on it. Now you should enter numbers what you can see on the screen. It's Google DNS server. So when you enter numbers, just click on OK. So this should help to fix this problem, but in case if it's not help you, you can close all windows and now click on Start menu and find their common properties. Click Yes. And in a new window, type command what you can see on the screen and simply hit Enter. Okay, so the next command we should type ipconfig renew and hit Enter. Then you need to restart your computer and everything should be working good now. So guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.